In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set any song as ringtone on your iPhone 16e. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the ringtone to a specific part of a song, to a full song, or whatever file you would like to use on your iPhone 16e is simple. To do this, you need to use GarageBand. This application should come pre-installed with any iPhone model. However, if you don't have it, just open the App Store and look for the app. You will be able to download and open it up. Inside of GarageBand, you will be loading the song that you want to use as a ringtone and modify it inside. So you will need to have a specific file that contains the song that you will be using. If you need help downloading a song in an MP3 format or any other similar format, make sure that you seek particular instructions depending on where the song is hosted. Now, inside of GarageBand, you will create a new timeline. So if you see a microphone icon with a plus sign, tap on it to start a new timeline and use these buttons at the top to manage it. So make sure that you switch to the timeline by clicking on an icon similar to this one. In here, choose this icon at the top right and select the option to load files into your timeline. Now find the specific song, the specific file that you would like to use as a ringtone. Once you load it in, you will be able to control it. So you can cut a specific part. For example, let's say you want to use only this part here. You just drag it to the appropriate part. You can make sure to use the full song. You can change the volume, change the placement, cut, and so on. Trim the song however you like. Once you are satisfied, go into the option to manage your timeline. You will see it here. So the timeline that you have just created. And now select it by tapping and holding, and you will find the option to share this song. Then you select to create a custom ringtone for your iPhone. With this done, when you head over to the settings and you access the sounds category, you will find it available here for you to change. And as long as you created it through GarageBand, it will be available in the normal settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to set any song as ringtone on iPhone 16e. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.